We'll go to the live case demonstration by Dr. Khanna from our cath lab of Apollo Hospital.
Now, this is a patient who had a right internal jugular vein cannulation for a dialysis access. We completely sort of sealed this defect and sent this patient for maintenance hemodialysis, and this patient is doing very well. Thank you very much. I just wanted to present these three cases and just to give you an example of what complications can happen if we do put in excess cannulas without ultrasound guidance, and even sometimes with ultrasound guidance, and how we can salvage these with interventional techniques. The next case which I will show you is actually what we had recorded. We have done it and now we are doing the other case, is a case where we had an occluded excess and how we salvage that. I'll be, once you have a discussion on this, I can go ahead and present that as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Khanna. The cases are open for discussion. Any comments or any on the lights, please? If there are no questions, I will request Dr. Khanna to proceed for the... Oh, sure. Dr. Usmani, please.
Volume. Okay.
But what happens is when you pass the guide wire and you pass the dilator over it, the dilator is pretty long, and there have been reports that when you introduce the dilator too much in, especially the length of it is too much, there is a possibility that you go through the junction of the subclavian and the internal jugular vein. That is the danger. So that is what the precaution in our anesthesia, they have told us that you should not push the dilator to it. So it's not necessarily due to ultrasound or anything. It is the way the technique that you use, and that technique has to have safety in it.
Apart from this, there is one more important point. When we put the guide wire, should go smoothly. When you have anything which is abnormal in your practice, you think the guide wire is not smooth, don't do that procedure.
No, that
is one. And second is, the dilator is required only a short segment, just to puncture the vein. So we have to go for only 2-3 inches, not the full 6 inches guide. Yeah. That is two precautions we take.
Disturbance
the complications are very, very less.